Barakato sa inyong lahat.
Waalaikumsalam.
Unfortunately, hindi nakapakarating ang ating mayor this morning because na-delay yung kanyang flight. Actually, tumawag sa 3 a.m. Ginatry ko nila nga makaabot before 6 a.m. Pero it's because of the weather condition, wala sila nakaabot wala nakarating dito sa ating celebration today. So with this, mapita sa lamang mga pag-ali sa Islam, may aga sa tanan and brothers and sisters natin sa Islam. So we are thankful sa ating kagawad, Ram Laod, for inviting us. And actually, we are discussing this for the past days with our Mayor, Bambi Palencia, and the rest of the municipal officials. Because as we realize, for our Muslim brothers and sisters, we would like to institutionalize the celebration of Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha sa munisipyo natin. So, rest assured for the upcoming years of the celebration ninyo na mabigyan natin ng importansya and mabigyan ng ordinance or resolution para sa ating celebration. So with this, not only this kind of special sa video preparation natin, but however, sa next natin na celebration, expect that this will be a grander celebration. Kasali na yung ating mga municipal officials, especially our Mayor, Bambi Palencia, and the upcoming municipal officials after the 2025 mid-year elections, local and mid-year election natin sa ating bayan. And with this, nagpadala ng message ang ating First Gentleman Boyet Palencia and the Mayor Bambi Palencia na gusto niyang ihandog sa inyo ay parating this morning. So sabi niya dito, Happy Eid Mubarak, my dear brothers and sisters in the municipality of Banga and the rest of the nation. May Allah bless you with success and guide you toward the path of righteousness. On this auspicious occasion of Eid, we pray that your life will be filled with endless happiness and prosperity. So ipinagdadasal ng ating Mayor na magkaroon tayo ng abundance na celebration at walang katapusang kaligayahan sa ating pamamahay at sa ating sarili. May the joyous spirit of Eid bring peace and contentment to your heart and home. Ang sabi pa niya, the whole month of Ramadan is a sacred period of fasting. Alam natin na 30 days kayo nagpa-fasting and nag-aayuno and kasali yung sakripisyo ninyo at kasali ang inyong pamilya na mapagtagumpayan ninyo ang inyong pag-aayuno. Ang sabi pa ng ating butihing Mayor, sabi niya, alam natin that this time of sacred period of fasting, prayers and self-reflection for our Muslim brothers and sisters, culminating in the celebration of Eid al-Fitr, which is marked by sighting of the crescent moon. So, naiintindihan din namin bilang Kristiyano, and we are together with you in the celebration. Dahil kami man din, after ng inyong pag-aayuno, ay kami man din ay mag-aayuno din. So, parang katugtong lang din siya ng inyong celebration for us also to celebrate in the next coming days. Sabi nga ng Mayor, based on the official statement from the Imam Council of the Philippines, or ICPI, the crescent moon of Shawwal, 1446 hours, was sighted on March 29, 2025 in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, leading to the declaration that Eid al-Fitr falls on March 30 for individuals who have completed the 29 days of fasting. Shawwal is the 10th month in the Islamic calendar, following Ramadan, and marks the beginning of Eid al-Fitr, a time of celebration and renewal. In the celebration of Eid al-Fitr, our Muslim brothers and sisters exchange greetings, katulad dito sa atin ngayon, And likewise, partake in festive meals with family and friends. That is the customary value of our Islam, of our Muslim brothers and sisters. Of course, not only for family, but as well as your friends. It is a time of celebration and renewal. It is a period of transition and spiritual elevation. So meaning tumataas yung understanding natin when it comes to Allah, when it comes to our faith and obedience to our Allah. Some people refers this month as the month of reward. Kasi after ng inyong pag-aayuno, na ito tayo ngayon magsiselebrate ng ating Eid al-Fitr. It is recognized that some Muslims in the Philippines, including those dwell in this municipality, sa munisipyo natin dito sa Banga, commence fasting as a day later on March 29 and therefore must complete 1 day of fasting on March 2025. And that is in accordance with Islamic guidance. And will celebrate Eid al-Fitr today, March 31, 2025. Kaya nga ang ating mga ibang katabing probensya, they celebrated and they declare holiday today, not tomorrow. But the national government declared April 1 as part of the celebration of Eid al-Fitr. But however, kahit ano pa man ang kanilang declaration, kami sa munisipyo ng Banga ay nakikiisa sa inyong lahat, and we are extending a heartfelt gratitude to everyone, especially those who are undergoing yung kanilang pag-aayuno at pagsasakripisyo in times of Ramadan. From the mayor, sabi niya, may you find real joy in your heart with your whole family all throughout the year. Hindi lang sa ngayon, but sa buong taon, na sana'y magsama-sama tayo sa ating munisipyo dahil alam natin our Muslim brothers are also pillars of our nation. So with this, sabi ng ating mayor, once again, sa inyo langon, Happy Eid Mubarak. Ang mensahe ngayon ihalin sa atin ng Mayor, Honorable Mayor Bobby Palencia, and our first gentleman, Albert Boyet Palencia. So with this, congratulations. Good morning sa inyong lahat. Enjoy the rest of the day. May Allah bless you. Thank you.
Maraming salamat sa iyo, sir.